Scott Thompson last Saturday. That penalty will be extended to 2 weeks if the appeal fails, and Geelong coach Scott says it's a heavy price to pay.
Plead our case on this one in what is a very innocuous incident. We have to risk Steve not only missing for us this week, but missing a really big game the week after.
Robinson believes the team's first Super Rugby title will attract more fans. Players in the squad has been a massive.
Players who want to actually play really solid footy now. It shows over years around Perry, those boys come back near fibs. So that shows what sort of squad we are.
Former Australian cricket captain Alan Border says he's excited about helping the Brisbane Heat in this summer's domestic 2020 competition. Border has agreed to assist head coach Stuart Law with recruitment and take on a mentoring role with players. Border says he hopes he can make an important contribution.
I haven't played any 2020 cricket, but I've been a very keen observer. Hopefully, I just bring some just experience, cool head in different moments throughout the tournament.
Manchester United have gone one up on their rivals by beating Liverpool 3-1 in front of 1,000 fans in the United States this morning. Liverpool had the best.
Ini lang. Break kami lang ito muna. Pag-zero di alin. Break gamay. Break na lang inumpanoy. Liko gamay. Ayaw pala gamay. Break gamay, break. Ano ba yan? Ay, sa break sa!